In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WooCommerce store with WordPress, Elementor, and Elementor Pro. We'll go from the very beginning all the way to a finished online store that's ready to test before launch. The goal here is to create a professional e-commerce website that looks great, works smoothly, and is easy for customers to use. First, set up WordPress with your domain and hosting. This is the foundation of your website, so make sure your domain is connected correctly and WordPress is installed on your hosting account. Once that's done, log into your WordPress dashboard, because this is where you'll manage everything from design to products to store settings. Next, install WooCommerce. This plugin turns a standard WordPress website into a fully functional online store. After activation, WooCommerce will guide you through the basic setup, and this is where your store starts taking shape. After that, install Elementor and Elementor Pro. Elementor gives you a visual drag-and-drop builder, and Elementor Pro adds the powerful features you need to design key WooCommerce pages more professionally. This combination makes it much easier to create a custom store without touching code. Now choose a WooCommerce-compatible theme. This is important because your theme needs to work well with both WooCommerce and Elementor. A compatible theme gives you a clean starting point, helps avoid layout issues, and supports the store features you'll be customizing later. Once your theme is active, configure your WooCommerce store information. Fill in the core business details, including store location, currency, and any basic preferences requested during setup. These settings affect how your shop operates, so it's worth reviewing them carefully. Then add your products and product categories. Categories help organize your inventory and make browsing easier for customers. As you add products, make sure each one is clearly named, properly priced, and placed in the right category so your store feels structured and easy to navigate. With your products in place, use Elementor Pro to design the homepage and shop sections. Focus on creating a clean, user-friendly layout that highlights your brand and helps visitors quickly find what they need. Keep the design simple, clear, and conversion-friendly. Next, customize the product, cart, checkout, and account templates. These are some of the most important pages in your store because they directly affect the buying experience. Make sure they look consistent with the rest of your site and are easy to use. Then configure your shipping and payment methods. Set these up carefully so customers can complete purchases smoothly and understand their delivery options clearly. Before launching, optimize the website for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Check spacing, text size, images, and button placement across all screen sizes to make sure the experience feels polished everywhere. Finally, complete a test order before launching. This helps you confirm that the full customer journey works correctly, from product selection to checkout to order confirmation. Once that test is successful, your store is ready to go live.